Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we're going to be putting my car with me and cleaning it out. It's brand new, so it's not that dirty, but I still want to vacuum it out and stuff like that. And afterwards we're going to go look into Five Below. There's a new one by my place where I'm living, and go check it out to see if we can find us some new stuff to put in my baby. But I'm going to give you guys an overview of how my car looks right now. Okay, so this is how it looks. Sorry if you guys can't hear me as loud, but it's just small like stuff here and just here. And I just want to vacuum my back seats. My nieces, they left Chick-fil-A cups, like packages in my car and stuff like that. So I just want to vacuum my seats and get it all cleaned up. Alright guys, so my baby is officially clean. She is clean. I love it. So now that my car is clean, we're gonna go to Five Below to look for some decor for my car. The only decor that I do have is this little furry wheel that my sister got me as like a gift for my car. She's so sweet. So that's the only decor that I have for now. But we're gonna go to Five Below to look around to see if they have anything, which they should have, because Five Below has like everything, so that I can decorate my car. So we made it to Five Below, so let's go look inside and see what they have. So I already have this one. Oh, look at this. I like this. I do need one of these for my car. I know it smells so good. What is this? Oh, these are seatbelt covers. I can get this for my car. Oh, these are cute. I like this one. But this one, I feel like this one will match my car, this charm. So I like that one. I do need a thing to sit on top of my car. Like, I have this, but then it broke. I need one to sit like this, but in like a color, like a silver color. I might just have to get another one of these and probably have my mom. Oh no, it's right here. I get this one to sit on my car. Can y'all see that? Yeah, the car mount. I like that one. These are air fresheners. These are cute. Hot girls hate curves. I like this one. That's cute. They have Jesus. These are so cute. Yeah, I think I'll just stick with the ones that I have. So these ones, I wonder if they have any, like, you know, the little trash cans that you stick in your car. I wonder if they have any of those, because those would be good, because I always have like little trash in my car, so I think that would be good. So I'm looking for them to see if they have any. I don't see any right now, but that would be nice, like the little mini trash cans. Let me see. There's chargers, USBs. I don't see it. I also want a place to stick my camera when I'm driving, but I don't see that either. Yeah, so I think that's it. Yo, this one is cute. They have like really nice stuff like this one. It's really, really cute. Yeah. I think I want a new phone case, but they never have mine because I have the 12 Pro Max and we're on the 15. Oh, this says 12 Pro Max. Let me see. Is it clear? I think it's clear because the back of my case is broken. So I need like a case. This is cute. I like this one. I think I'll get this one. It's like a purse. That's cute. Yeah. Let me see. Yeah, I don't like that one. This one is cute. I think I'm gonna get that one. Oh, y'all, look. I wanted a new purse. I like this. I feel like that can stick a lot more. in my purse. This black one. I like it. I think I might get this one because this is really cute and it could stick a lot in my purse, and I need something like that big. Okay, y'all, they have these sweaters. I think I like these. Like, they look like this. I like the green one though. The green one says like 89, and then they have a gray one that says track and field. I like these. It'll be good to wear to work because it's really cold right now. So I don't know. They have like a lot of stuff that's really cute. Like, I like these. These are cute. They have a Bratz one. I really like this one. Oh, that's the only one they have. It's extra large. Oh, they have these. This is cute. I like this color. That's extra large. I feel like a small. That's a medium. Actually, a medium will probably do. Yeah, I'm supposed to be looking for stuff for my car, and I'm over here grabbing sweaters. I like this one. Yeah, I think I should get this. I think I'm gonna get it. And that's it. But that's all. I actually should get little things for my car. Like, there's a lint roller. I have a lint roller, but that's one. I have one, but it's already like almost gone. These are like minis, and these are $4. But I don't need that many. I just need like one. So I'll get that one. This Benadryl. I'm trying to see what else I need for my car. Let's see. Tylenol, just in case, which I think I will need. Wet wipes, yeah, definitely. So I'll get some of these. Yeah, get that one. Let me see. I think that's it. There's a Q-tips. Oh no, is it Clorox? Actually, let me see. I don't know which one. I'm gonna get the Clorox wipes instead. And then I think that's all I needed. Bag is secured. We got our stuff. So it's time to decorate my car. Okay guys, so I just left out of Five Below. I got my stuff, and I'm going to give you guys a haul of what I got. So starting off first, I got my brother this little mask because he loves Mario Kart and all of that stuff. So for my car, like I said, my sister got me the little fluffy steering wheel cover, and so to go on with it, I got these seatbelt covers, and they match. It looks so cute. I got a new lint roller because I have one, but it's so dirty and it's not going to work. The next thing I got was a air freshener because I'm gonna need one for my car. And then I got this cute little car charm that hangs over my mirror, which I thought was so cute. And then I got this car mount so that I can sit my phone on, because I'm going to need to sit my phone on as I'm driving because I can't keep holding my phone. I got some Tylenol because, you know, girly problems in case I get headaches when my period comes on. I got a hand sanitizer, and this is a knockoff Touchland. I used all of my Touchland already, so I needed a new hand sanitizer. I got some Clorox wipes in case I need to wipe anything down, which I am going to wipe something down. And the last thing I got was this phone case, and I got a charm for my keys because I'm going to need that. So that is my little haul of what I got, and now we are going to decorate my car. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to add my little charm here because I think that'll be so cute. So I'm going to take her out of the package. Okay, so she's a little disco ball, so she looks like that. So I'm guessing I just shove it like, oh, hold on y'all, because I don't want it, I don't want to get her like, I don't want her to break, you know what I mean? Do I have to, I think I have to loosen it up. There we go. So, and all I gotta do now is just tie her around like in a knot. Oh look, She's hanging. It's so cute. Y'all probably can't see. It's super like dark. Hold on. Yeah, she's hanging. That's so cute. So now I'm going to add these seatbelt covers over my seatbelt thing, and I have to figure out. It says easy install, so let's see. Because I truly don't. Oh, y'all, they do that. Oh, that's cute. Okay, so if it's over me, add it like this. Y'all, that's so cute. Oh my gosh. And then now I gotta do the other side. There we go. Okay, right here I just have like perfume and lotion. This is my lint roller I was telling you guys about. That's super dirty, so I'm gonna throw it away. And then I guess I have trash over here. Okay, so I'm gonna add my extra stuff. So put my lint roller here, add some Clorox wipes right there. I'm gonna add my Tylenol over here. Before I add anything else, I need to wipe down a little part of my section right here to add my lip glosses and my hand sanitizers and stuff like that, so that could be clean. So let's wipe that down. Then I also forgot I need to add my scent in here over my little disco ball. I almost forgot what it was for a second. Okay guys, so my car is completely finished. I'm so excited. So now I'm going to give you guys a little car tour.